Welcome everybody to TestingToys.com.
And today we're down in Rotorua checking out
ZORB. So basically you roll down a hill in one of these things and you just, you know, do your thing. This is a New Zealand attraction and we know this because it says it was invented here.
I got wristbands. It's so icy.
So there are changing rooms that they offer here, so you can get changed before you go up, and then what happens is you can drive all the way up. They take you in a van and you drive all the way up to the top. And then after you roll down, you're going to be all wet and stuff, and so they also have hot tubs for you to warm up.
So each of these vans are for the different rides. One of them is for a straight going down one, and then another one for a zigzag side wonder.
So you get a blue one and a red one and they probably both indicate which run you're going on. My butt is already wet. Once you're up here, it's actually kind of scary.
I'll go first.
Go on, Jayden. No, go on, Jayden.
Once you guys hear the tap and ball start, you guys can start pushing that way, just don't run, okay?
Will do. Pretty well. This water's actually quite warm.
Yeah.
Ready?
Jayden, move! Holy.
How was that, guys?
That was
Alright, coming up, please.
Go on, Zane. Nice one. Jayden?
Stay away.
Thanks for that. Oh, you guys are drunk. What do you guys think?
That was really good.
That was crazy.
Oh, this is warm.
Oh, can we go again?
Yeah, we got a red one. Oh, I got 2 reds.
I think we warm up for a second first.
That was actually crazy.
So weird, but it was so fun.
Yeah, it was really weird. It felt like you're going into hyperspace from Skyward.
Felt really fast.
Like you'd go so fast. I was at like the front. Like I felt on my face and my body since I was like a diamond stuff. So I was like that. I felt it on my face. I was like right at the front, and like the bubbles on like the, or not the bubbles, but like all the things like rolled against my face, and that felt so weird.
Yeah, it was like really weird because like the ball would be spinning really fast, but you wouldn't be moving.
You guys want to go now, or do you guys want to try and
Oh, we can
You guys want to go now?
Yeah, let's go now.
Alright, let's go now. Thank you for that.
Wait, what's it steaming?
You're steaming.
Me.
Yes.
I'm hot. Round 2.
And this is the
This is
Zig-zag.
Yeah, the zigzag one.
What? Oh, that's how they come up. Alright.
Just pop your rubber band right into this little bucket right here. How's that last one, guys? You guys enjoyed it?
That was good, yes.
Fun.
Cool, guys. We'll just go a big dive into there, okay? Okay, guys, similar to last time, once I tap the ball, you just need to start pushing that way, okay, guys?
Yeah.
Hey, look. Get off. I take you first.
How's that one? Yeah. Take first.
Thank you for that.
That was the most scariest one.
Oh,
It like never ended.
You kicked me so many times.
You kicked me! Or you kicked me right in the face. That was so scary.
That was so fun.
That's really good.
I would do that again. That's a thumbs up for me.
Thumbs up for me too.
And like, so in the zigzag one, you turn and you just tumble over each other, and like, it just like hurt. One, it hurt. Two, it just like felt so weird rolling down really fast. So
I really like that. It was very fun.
yeah.
Yeah? We'll do it again. Well, we thought it was really cool. Being in a group in that giant orb was really fun because you're just all over the place and you're all smacking each other. Jayden got kicked in the face a couple of times. Probably got that on camera. I got nailed in the balls a couple of times because Jayden liked sticking his feet out.
Jayden, move!
And I was squished against the bottom.
Get me out of here!